Hello, YouTube. It's been a little while. Okay, as you guys have probably noted on my last video, I was saying I have this spot on my chin that when I rub it, it makes me hiccup. Excuse me. Yeah. So anyway, from the comments I've gotten, there's a really nice long explanation on my last video about what causes it. It's a medical thing. But to give you the short and sweet of it, you know how you scratch the rear end of a dog and his leg starts kicking? It's basically because there's a nerve too close to the skin. It's just a reflex. And so, for the few of us weirdos out there who have this, my wife's laughing at me right now, and my little boy's running around. For those of us who have this, it's basically that nerve is just really close to the skin. So, whenever you try to shave or wash your face, or I don't know how many times I've like scratched my beard or whatever, that's what happens. It gives you a hiccup. Excuse me. Now, from what I understand, I'm one of the lucky ones because it only makes me hiccup once when I do it. There are people out there that, if they do that, they'll have hiccups for a little while. So, excuse me. I'm kind of lucky it's just one. And if you notice, I keep looking off to the right because that's where my face is. There. Anyway. Alright, YouTube. Yeah, we got blah 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 blah.